In the previous lecture, we learned about two different CSS color properties, color and background color. In this lecture, we're going to learn about the TextAlign property. So the TextAlign property specifies the alignment of a text content. This property does not align an element, but rather than a text content. The property values are left, right, center, and justify. In the HTML document, I'm going to add a div, and I'm just going to paste in this text. Okay, I'm going to copy it and paste it, I don't know, 8 times maybe. Save it and come to the CSS. And let's target the div. Okay, so we're gonna add the TextAlign property. And we're gonna start first with the left. So the left value will align the text content to the left side of its parent element. Okay, let's save it. Okay, it is aligned to the left, which is the default style from the browser. Now let's add right. The right value will align the text content to the right side of its parent element. Okay. Now it is aligned to the right side. Now let's add center. And the center value will center the text content of its parent element. Okay, now it is centered. And justify, the justify value will stretch the text content all the way to the left and right side of its parent element. Okay, it kind of looks similar to the left value, but it's not. Okay, there's a little difference there. And this is how you align the text. Well, that is it for this lecture. And we've reached the end of HTML and CSS. In the next lecture, we're gonna start building our project that is called Lander, which is basically a landing page. Everything we've learned so far, we're gonna put it into practice. And we're gonna make sure that this project is going to look good at the end.